Right, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. This is Wakey Two Wheels and my name's Matt. In all these vanilla Monet skies. We're up very early this morning and we're on foot because today we're doing something quite cool. We're off to a bike show. I'm just waiting for my sister and my brother-in-law to come and pick me up. See you in a bit. Guys, I can't tell you how massive this market was. It would take you a good 3 days to walk around it properly, and you can buy anything you need involving motorcycles, whether it be a project, modern, vintage, whether it be a full bike, half bike, wheels, or just the smallest little thing like a specialised tool, screwdriver. It is all there. And if you are into building bikes or restoring bikes, well worth the visit. Get yourselves down here, guys. So guys, we took some time out to watch the stunt bikes. Fantastic show, father and son team, and that somersault was the first somersault he's ever done in front of people. Fantastic show. But the main part of this show is the show bikes and the auctions. Let me show you the customs you will find here, the specialist bikes. Absolutely out of this world. Just wanted you to check out a couple of the bikes that were actually in the auction. Now this sidecar is actually a boat. It's got a sideboard motor. You can take it off and sail it round the lake, not a problem. These bikes are actually for sale. You can come down here with a wad of cash and drive home in that today. Now, I know a few of you out there have got kids, and I know some of those kids like to go out on the trails on their little motorbikes, and there is something at this show for them too. If you have kids, don't be scared about bringing them down. Look at this. This is a team of people showing you how to ride the trails on the bikes with sidecars as well. Really fascinating to watch.
Get these last couple of turns. Really leaning the bike in there, making it work. Using body to... And out. On to section 2 now. I don't know who's ridden it yet, or if they're just having a play waiting. There we go, into section 2 on the sidecar.
Now, if you like being deafened by the roar of an engine, this is probably the place for you. We got some time to walk around the paddock. There were some speciality racing bikes, and we got to hear some of them start up and rev the engines. I significantly damaged my hearing on this part. A brilliant place. Check it out.
Oil went in the sump and everywhere. Yeah, no. The carbs are spinning.
Right. This special little bike here is called the Triumph Quadrant, aka the Quadrant. It was a Bitzer designed and built in secret by Doug Healy, I cannot pronounce that last name, in 1973. It was a 1000cc 4-cylinder motorcycle made up from Trident parts. Although the camshaft was sourced from outside the factory. Essentially, the 4th cylinder came from grafting on an extra middle crankcase unit, but since the primary chain case and the final drive sprocket could not be relocated, the 4th cylinder protruded on the right hand side of the bike top speed of this bike, 125 miles an hour.
Yeah, that's right.
And it took him a while to start it, but when it started it, my word, just listen. Now, one of the highlights of the show, which I did not expect, for me, for my sister and for my brother-in-law, was the Wall of Death. This Wall of Death itself is a vintage made out of wood. Massive great big tent we had to climb into. It's a team of 3 riders, all riding vintage motorcycles. We're talking Indians, old Harley Davidsons. One of them even goes round in a bloody go-kart. It was a brilliant watch. At the end, they explain to the crowd how they don't get insurance for what they do, obviously. So what they do is they cover the tanks so they don't get scratched and let the crowd throw money down. And believe you me, there was folding money falling down there. It was well worth it. They are fantastic. One of the riders there, a young girl from all the way from the Philippines, and absolutely brilliant show. Would recommend anybody to go see them. Get your sins in there. Well guys, this is the end of this little video. There are a few more videos to come out before I end my riding season, so please stay tuned. There are some more videos coming. Please, if you can, please like, share and subscribe. It really does help me going. The new algorithms on the YouTubes are really affecting people, so if you can give a like, a share and a subscribe, drop a comment if you can. Much appreciated. Thank you so much. Please ride safe, and I will see you all in the next episode. Bye for now.